Hey guys, so there's been an update to the Windows 11 Insider preview. That update is installing for me right now as a cumulative. We're at 22,000.65 and it's now ready to restart. I'm going to say not now. I just wanted to go through some of the release notes. Nothing amazing here. Definitely important things, but nothing that really excites me apart from maybe one thing that I didn't really pay attention to is the whole right click. So if you right click and we've got this beautiful new layout, you have this show more options, which then basically gives you the old menu, whatever you had in the Windows 10 version. And so one of the changes is they've added a refresh desktop here. And if you right click on a PowerShell script, you see there's no option to just run it. So you would have to go to show more options and say run with PowerShell. Well, that's one of the fixes in this next release. There's a couple of other things like the power mode settings are now available in the power settings. So if we go to system and we look at power, you can see there isn't really much there. There's just screen and sleep. So that's another one. Okay, right clicking on the volume icon in the taskbar now includes an option to troubleshoot sound. So we don't have that yet, but we should after the update. There was something here about not being able to shrink to your desktop. So if you go far to the right and click, nothing happens. But if you go a tiny bit more to the left, we can click and we can get to the desktop. There's a couple of fixes in here, quite a lot around settings, File Explorer. Yeah, nothing I'm majorly excited about. When we click on the start menu and we start typing, so it goes directly to a search. One of the updates as well is that when you click on start, you immediately get a search bar at the top. And I'm interested to see how, if in any way that's different or it's purely cosmetic. Let's pause and do a restart. And I'll let you know how it looks. Okay, here we are, post update. Okay, we have a different style, but still a let's finish setting up your device. This is just a revisit to the Windows Hello setup. So I'm actually gonna, let's hit continue, see what options it gives me. Okay, do I want to use Android phone? No, thanks. Okay, we're all set up. So let's see what it did there. Okay, it's restored my previous Windows. That's always nice. Here's our settings screen. So let's go straight in and look at the power. Okay, we've now got our power mode option here as well. Let's have a look at our sound options. We have a troubleshoot sound problem. Okay, we can click far into the right and I assume get the show desktop. Yep. Our start menu has a search already, so I don't think this will be any different. Nope, it is cosmetic, but I guess if you're not used to just pressing start and typing, that's probably a good prompt. Okay, we should be able to go to the desktop, right click, and we have a refresh, which now means that the right click does not work. So that's an interesting bug. Let's have a look at the PowerShell. Okay, we've got run with PowerShell. It's an empty file, so it shouldn't really do much. Okay, oh, very interesting. So after selecting those new options, I can now no longer right click on those same items. Very strange. Let's try a folder. Nope. So we'll close that, open it again. Okay, our right menu is back. Oh, and now it won't work again. So let's give that one more go. Well, maybe that's a bug. Let's see if we can report this. Nope. So I'll go and do that through the regular beta channels. There we go. Nothing too exciting. The next step towards Windows 11.